Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Slack to Calendly. So you want to click on integrations and apps on the left hand side, and you will find Slack within the list. If you're not able to find, you can show all to expand it, and you find a ton of different apps that you can find here. Slack is definitely going to be in the list. You click on Slack, and so once you do that, you will have the Calendly option to link with Slack. So here you can see add Slack, and here you can just simply click add Slack right here. And you will receive this pop-up here where it's going to show your account in Slack, and you just need to go ahead and scroll down and click on allow. You want to authorize this, and so it will redirect. You can click on open Slack. If you have Slack on your PC as well, it's going to open up that one. And as you can see, it's going to open up Slack right here on my computer because I have it there. And yeah, you will see that you get a pop-up. You can just click and got it, and here you can see right now in Slack that it shows Calendly. And that's it. I'm going to close out of this, and of course if I go back here and close this window here to redirect, I know how Slack connected to Calendly. And that's it. So you can easily integrate Slack with Calendly, guys, and that's pretty much all that you have to do. Very easy and very simple.